How to create WeChat account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's get started. First things first, head over to your app store to download your WeChat. So search for WeChat and you just need to install it from your app store and then hit open. So after you have installed it and opened up your WeChat, you need to tap on sign up, and then you can sign up with mobile, your Apple ID or Facebook. Then you can put in your full name, the region, the phone number and your password. Then just agree with the terms and conditions, do some security verification, and then that's it. Your WeChat account will be created. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.